KAITWO Screen Control Version Drone Operation Tutorial. Open the packaging box and take out the storage box. Remove products and accessories. Product configuration. Before flying, it is necessary to charge the drone battery. Connect one end of the charging cable to the battery. Connect the other USB plug to the charging device for charging. The indicator light displays blue during charging. Automatically turn off when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect remote control. Connect power supply. The indicator light displays red during charging. Automatically turn off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. Default outdoor GPS mode upon startup. Please operate in an open-top, unobstructed outdoor environment. Insert the memory card into the drone card slot. Expand the drone arm. Remove the drone gimbal protective cover. Installing drone batteries. Before starting the drone, it is necessary to confirm that it is placed horizontally. Long press to open the drone. Turn on the remote control switch again. Automatic frequency matching between unmanned aerial vehicle and remote control. Turn on the display screen switch. After selecting the language, wait to enter the image transfer screen. Short press to perform geomagnetic calibration. I heard a beep when rotating the horizontal clockwise circle. Then rotate vertically clockwise and hear a beep again. Compass horizontal calibration completed. Short press to calibrate gyroscope. The drone light flashes and stays on. Calibration completed. After completing the above operations, please wait for the drone GPS to search for stars. The remote control beeps and the search for stars is complete. Can take off. Short press the unlock button and push up the left twister to take off. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Back off. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Move the speed adjustment button on the remote control. 3 levels of drone flight power can be adjusted. A few beeps indicate which gear to switch to. The dial button on the top left of the remote control. Turn the camera angle downwards to the left. Turn the camera angle upwards to the right. Short press the camera button to take a photo. Long press the recording button to start recording. Press and hold again to stop recording. Short press the return button and the drone will return to the takeoff point. Install obstacle avoidance module. Before installation, the drone needs to be turned off first. Installation completed. Open the drone. Complete horizontal calibration and gyroscope calibration. The drone automatically activates obstacle avoidance mode. Connect app. Need to turn off the display screen switch first. Scan the instruction manual QR code to download the app. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Simply click on your phone and start flying. Indoor mode demonstration. First, turn on the drone and remote control switch. Open the display screen. After selecting the language, enter the image transfer screen. Short press the GPS button on the remote control to turn off GPS. Short press the unlock button and push up the left joystick to take off. Watch the captured footage. Remove the drone memory card. Install the card reader. Insert it back into the USB port of the computer. You can see the captured image. Insert the memory card into the remote control card slot. Turn on the remote control switch and turn on the display screen. Return to the main interface. You can view the captured images. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B labels. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it.